Hello, everyone. So for this activity, we are going to need our target, which should already be set up from the at-home kickball game we just played, and we should be warmed up for that. So our target should be set up. Now we're going to use our flat hard object that we brought to class. We're going to use, and we're also going to use the ball that we brought. So I have a sock ball and a paper ball. So we are going to practice striking with an object, underhand and backhand. Okay. So I'm going to show you the motion and you're going to practice along with me. All right. So just to get some practice before we play the game. So if you strike with your right hand, you're going to put your hard flat object in your right hand and the ball in your left hand. If you strike with your left hand, you're going to put the paddle in your left hand and the ball in your right hand. All right. So there's three things that we got to think about when we're striking underhand. First, we start facing our target, right? Then we're going to take a step with our non-dominant foot. So my left foot is my non-dominant foot because I'm a right-hander. So I take a step. I have the ball ready with the paddle face. I pull back. I hit and follow through. Okay. So that is kind of the motion of how to do an underhand hit. So go ahead and practice along with me. Take a couple hits. There we go. You should just be practicing your underhand striking here, just like that motion. Okay. So that was the underhand striking. Now we're going to do backhand striking. So backhand striking is almost the exact same. We're still taking a step, except this time we are going to hit like this. So instead of going like this, we are hitting like this. Okay. So that's called a backhand. And all you do is you have your ball again, you take a step, and you're just going to hit it like this. Okay. So just like that. And that is called the backhand striking motion. So go ahead and practice that. I should see everyone trying to hit their ball both ways in this next activity. Okay. So this game is going to be almost exactly like the at-home kickball game we just played. So you are going to start about 8 feet away from your target, which is where I am. You are going to strike backhand and underhand, and you are going to see how many times you can hit your target. If you start from your first spot and hit your target on your first try, that's 3 points. If you hit and you miss your target, you're going to pick it up from where it landed, then you're going to hit your target again, and that's 1 point. Okay. And then after you get your 1 point, you come back and you try and go for 3 points. And we're going to do this for 2 minutes to see how many points we can get. All right. So let me get my alarm ready. If there's any questions, Mr. Belton, you could answer them now. I'm going to play music for 2 minutes. We're going to see how many points we can get. All right, everybody. On your marks. Get set. Go. All right, everyone, you can go ahead and stop. I got 36 on that one. You may go ahead and type how many points you got. And remember, this was just for practice. We're not worried about anyone else's points but our own. We all use different equipment, we all have different space, so we're only worried about our own score. Awesome job, everyone.